Hello, my name is Matthew Kuzan, and I have the privilege of being paid by Ericsson to make the world a better place through open source. Now, I want to show you today how to parse pretty much any text trace or text log using Trace Compass. This can be very useful to extract some data very quickly. So to start, we need to make a parser. For the parser, we go to right-click on the traces element in our traces project, and we go to Manage Custom Parsers. From there, we make a new parser. I'm making a text parser, and I'm going to call it an error parser. I apologize for my clicky keyboard. And I'm just calling the trace type error. Here comes the really fun part. I am going to select an area of trace, and I'm going to middle click in the text box so that we can have it here. Then I'm going to click on Highlight All, and I'm going to enter the regex in real time. So, /+/ this will be a group. And I'm going to add a dot star at the end. Why am I adding dot star? All of a sudden you have your highlighting that works. This is really easy. So then you have /s plus /bracket /s plus /close bracket /s /s plus. I'm going to start adding some groups using parentheses, and check this out. Your syntax highlighting already works out of the box. While I'm doing this, I must confess, I quite often use this as a way to verify regexes, knowing that my verification is staying local. Let's just keep the eat everything for the end, the all consumer. Now we know the first one is a timestamp because this is a timestamp. More on that very soon. And the next one we're going to say it's the event type. Then this one is the log level. Log levels are some keywords that tell you the urgency of that error. You can have error, warn, you can have info, debug. This I'm going to call the source. Please note I am selecting other, and with other I am able to assign a value for a field name that I know in advance. And finally, this one will be endpoint. I'm going to resize this a bit. And let's take a little more time to talk about the timestamp. This is a timestamp which is going to be using the simple date format. I honestly never remembered the simple date format, so I'm going to just click on the help. I'm going to read it. Would you look at that? It's pretty much this right here. No, it's this right here. I'm going to highlight this, close this, I'm going to click here, and you can see it doesn't work. Why? There's a T separating. But if we look at this, let's do year. 1970. We seem to be having an epoch fail. The reason is that T is a reserved keyword in here. To work around that problem, all we have to do is put in quotes. And then I'm not even going to bother adding a format to this one. So that's the first line. Let's add another line, the child, to this. This one's going to be a lot easier. This is going to be a /s, /s plus, /s, I'll add a colon, and then plus, and then dot star to eat the rest. And this is going to be a one-to-one cardinality, meaning that for every one of these, you get one of these. Now this is going to be the exception type. I'm going to call it an exception. And then this is going to be another other. What is it here? I'm going to just call it the message. In fact, we have a field called message. Let's use it. Then let's go for the next line, and this is a classic stack trace. So this is going to be /s plus at /s plus, and then it would be /s plus. No, I don't like that. We're going to have that, and then we're going to have an open bracket, and then we're going to have /s plus, and then a colon, and then we're going to have a /d plus, because it's a number, and then close the bracket. And we're going to put this in a group. Something is amiss. Oh, obviously. In fact, we could see the error here. So I'm going to just do that, and now we have a nicely formatted group. So now, what is this guy? It is the function. Then this is the source file. So I'm going to call it file. Then finally, we have here our line number. And with this, we have our very own parser. Let's test it out. And there we go. Let's start parsing our 2.5 gigabyte error log. As we can see, we have all of our endpoints that are well parsed. We have our error messages. Very soon you're going to see the histogram populate. There we go. I hope this has been useful, and don't forget, you have several analyses that are going to work out of the box here. Your statistics, your in and out analysis, and of course your event field count. Don't forget to keep tracing, don't forget to keep finding the truth. Thank you, everyone.